It's Money March. Are you ready to make more money? If so, this is the video for you because I'm going to be sharing with you some side hustles you can start from home right now. And hey Maximizers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal. I am a money savings coach and I'm here to help you, yes you, save money and make money so that you can live the life that you love and make progress on your big financial goals. I have dubbed this month Money March. I'm excited to make more money and I'm even more excited to help you make more money. So let's dig in really quick on some side hustles that you can start from home today, and a lot of them cost you $0 to start. You literally can start with what you have. So let's go. If you are like me, you are someone who is always looking to make more money. Whether you have a 9-to-5 or if you have an existing business, you are looking to increase your income. And with the current state of the world, we could all stand a little bit of extra income. So I wanted to share with you some of the easiest side hustles that you can start from home to start generating that extra cash in your pocket. I've been side hustling my whole life since I was like 7, 8, 9 years old. I was always coming up with ways to make money, and it fits me now that I am a money coach and I get to help women save and make money. It literally like fits, all the pieces fit together of like why I was the way I was as a child. It all led up to today, and now I am a 6-figure business owner working from home on my own terms, like following my passion. I'm helping women with their money, which is what I love most. Before I give you the side hustles, I am talking about things that you can do to make your own money. I am not talking about gig work. So no, I'm not going to be telling you to go Instacart and Uber Eats or Uber or Lyft or anything like that, because the true definition to me of side hustling is creating something on your own. So if you are ready to do the work and create something on your own, this video is for you. If you want to continue to work for someone or work with someone who like gives you leads and gives you jobs and you earn money, then this video is not for you, because even with those positions, like people's Uber accounts get shut down. So they can't do Uber Eats anymore. They get locked out of their Lyft account. They get banned from being able to do Instacart because a customer gave them a negative review. I don't want anybody to jerk my control. Like, I don't want anyone can have control over my finances. As a business owner, I decide how much I sell. I decide the price. I decide how often. So does that require a little bit more work? Absolutely. But nothing in this world is going to come easy. I promise you, reach out to any millionaire, all right? And they will tell you that hard work is what got them to that million, right? So it's not going to be handed over to you easy. You've got to put the work in. So if you're ready to create your own way to make money, then this is for you. And that brings me to my first side hustle, which is to teach a class. What are you an expert in? What do your friends come to you for? What are you great at in your 9-to-5? What experience, life experience do you have that you can bottle up and create a class? You're probably like, Crystal, I don't know how to create a class. You can literally do a live class on Zoom, right? Zoom is free 1-to-1 for the first 45 minutes. Or you can pay like $16 a month to be able to do a group. You could also use Facebook. You could create a private Facebook group, have people pay you on PayPal, and then do the live trainings inside of the Facebook group, because Facebook is free and PayPal is also free, right? To create a class, you could create slides on Canva. You can create slides on Microsoft PowerPoint. There's also Google Slides. All for free, you could create slides. So you just need to bottle up your expertise. What do you do that other people want to do or they need help with? So for example, I started my business helping women learn how to coupon, which ultimately turned into helping women save money. Being able to save money and be intentional with your money is a problem that a lot of us have. No matter if you make $100, $1,000, $10,000, or $1 million, a lot of people need help being intentional, managing their money, as well as saving money. So I wanted to do that. So I turned my passion into profits by teaching people on YouTube to start. And then now I have like a full group coaching program, 1-to-1 coaching, where I help women save and make money. Does that make sense? So what are you really good at? What comes really natural to you? And I'll give you a bonus tip that I share with my money-making clients. Ask your friends and family, like, what do you come to me for? Like, if you were going to pay me to do something, what will you pay me to do? So I suggest you start teaching a class. I'll give you another example. When the pandemic first hit, I saw a lot of estheticians. I saw a lot of cosmetologists like really out of work. Why? Because people were not physically allowed to come out and get like extra services, right? Because our hair and nails are not necessarily essential. Now, since I'm on camera, my nails are sometimes a necessity, but it's not something that we can't live without. But I was able to see these estheticians and these cosmetologists actually go on and create classes to help you with your skincare, with your makeup, with your hair care, when you can't get to your stylist or your professional. And I thought it was a great way to utilize their skills, make some money, but also help their clients and potential new clients. So go ahead and figure out what your experience and your expertise is, what you would love to teach, bottle it up, and teach a class. Second, along those lines, is to become a coach. We need more coaches in the world in all industries. I used to think, who do I think I am becoming a money savings coach, right? Who do I think I am coaching people on how to save money? Now, coaching is different from just teaching a class, because coaching, you actually spend time individually or in a group setting with your clients. You ask them the tough questions, you challenge them, you educate them, you answer their questions. Now, a class is a one-time thing. Coaching is a program, whether it's one-to-one coaching, group coaching, or a hybrid of one-to-one and group. You can create a program. And in coaching, you create a framework, a process to help your clients get from A to Z. So for example, the example of a class is a one-time how to do your eyebrow class, right? Whereas you could create a 3-month coaching program on how to maintain your skincare and your eyebrows, right? When you are not going to a stylist. So you'd go through, you'd work with your clients, you'd ask them questions, you'd give them worksheets, you'd give them potentially modules to watch. You could do live trainings. So when you brand yourself as a coach, you are basically helping your clients get the result they desire from A to Z. So another example is let's think about sports, right? You could go to a basketball clinic. A clinic is a one-time thing led by a coach, right? It's maybe 2 to 3 hours. But if you are a part of a team or you sign up for one-to-one lessons, it's usually a season, 6, 7, 8 months you will spend with that coach and that team, working on your skills, perfecting them for your games. So you can either create the one-time thing class, which was number 1, or 2, create an actual program. And as long as you have walked yourself through this process, you can walk others through this process. You just need to notate what that process is. So you can absolutely become a coach in that same area of expertise. And do not downplay yourself. A lot of us have spent 3, 4, 5, some of you 10 and 20 years in an industry. You are more than well equipped to come out of said industry or stay in that industry in your 9 to 5 and coach and train and mentor people who either want to be in that industry or help them navigate through that industry as well. So second side hustle you could start is to actually become a coach. And third is actually to do independent gig work, like become a virtual assistant. Right? So when you are a virtual assistant, you would get your own clients and you could help them virtually with things such as organizing their email, organizing their social media, creating client workflow processes. So when a client signs up with this business, what is their process to get everything that they need to work with the business owner, right? You could do a lot of admin things. My virtual assistant helps me organize my tasks. She helps me schedule out tasks for other team members. She schedules my Instagram posts. She edits my podcast. She creates some Instagram captions for me. So she does a lot behind the scenes to help my business run. So you could become a virtual assistant. So you could use a website like Fiverr, and you could go on Fiverr and find clients who need help with administrative tasks. You could pick your top 5 to 10 administrative tasks that you do well, market yourself as a virtual assistant, gain those clients through Fiverr or through Facebook groups, through Instagram, through TikTok. Put it out there that you are a virtual assistant and you can help clients with X, Y, Z, and then you can retain those clients. And usually with a virtual assistant, there is a contract. Like me and my virtual assistant have been working together since August of 2019, y'all. Over 3 years, almost 4 years. I've been with her for almost the entirety of my business and I freaking love her, right? So most virtual assistants have some sort of like long-term contract. You could do like a 90-day test, see if it all works really well, and if so, that client could keep you long term. But you could definitely create your own virtual assistant business. Now to start, you will need at least a laptop already. If you don't have one, you could get like a Google Chrome laptop for like $200. A very low cost investment, but on average, as a virtual assistant, you can charge anywhere from $300 up to like $1,000 a month for your services based on the hours you're working with your clients and what you are helping them with. Because my virtual assistant, I think she does about 15 hours a month with me. She's giving me back so much of my time. I don't have to do all of the small admin things. I, as a business owner, can focus on money-making tasks that will allow the business to make more money, okay? So that is the third side hustle you can start from home. It really doesn't cost you anything if you already have a laptop. If you don't have a laptop, I highly suggest you have one because it's really hard to do a lot of those things from your phone. But those are the 3 side hustles you can start from home. You can start teaching a class, you can create a coaching program, or you can become a virtual assistant. So I want you to let me know down in the comments what side hustle you are most excited to start in March. And if you are thinking, Crystal, these sound great, but I need help, I got you. Because for the month of March, I am opening up 20 money-making strategy sessions. They are a 60-minute one-time session where I will help you create a plan for the next 30 days to help you make more money. So I help you from A to Z what you need to do to help you make more money. Whether you want to make an extra $100, $1,000, or $10,000, we are going to create that plan together during one of my money-making strategy sessions. So there's a link down in the description box you can click. You can also go to my website and click work with me, and there's a little button that will tell you all about the 60-minute strategy session that you can book. These are available until March 31st. They are first come, first serve. So once the 20 are gone, they are going to be gone. So if you want to work with me to help you make more money this March, go ahead and book your strategy session. So happy money making all March. I'm going to be sharing a ton of money making tips and inviting you to come work with me in one of the strategy sessions. I want to thank you all so much for your love and support. I appreciate each and every one of you. Stay safe out there as you are shopping. And as always, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.